sirloin steak sandwich. And we're starting out with this big old hunkin' baguette right here, huh? That is beautiful. Look at that garlic butter. Look at that. Just pasting it on there, building us a nice old foundation. A little parsley. Very nice. Now we're just gonna cover this up. Gotta fold it in half. This is gonna go on the grill. We're gonna heat that up. But when you have a steak sandwich, you need some vegetables, and I got Charlotte right here. Charlotte, tell you what, I'll do the peppers, you do the onion. Outstanding. We got the Vidalia onions, the red peppers, put some yellow in there, a little garlic oil. Thank you, Charlotte. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Those veggies look great. I'll get back to those in a little while, okay? Very nicely done. Always good to have help right there. Charlotte's over there. Oh, Jenna, hey, thank you very much. This is not sneaking up on anybody. That right there, now that is a steak. Oh, yeah, that big old sirloin cut there is beautiful. You don't need to do a whole lot to this. Just put a little garlic on it, a little garlic oil. Very nice. Some Italian herbs, and you gotta love the steak. It's got good marbling, which is gonna make for great taste once that marbling and that fat dissipates throughout that piece of meat. A little salt and pepper, beautiful. Oh man, that's looking good. I'm gonna flip this bad boy over, do it again. Oh yeah, got all that grill. She done right there. Now we got the big hunkin' baguette. Just gonna heat that up right there. We got our veggie basket right there heating up. Mr. Sirloin right here, beautiful. Look at that piece of meat. Beautiful. Hey, right here, that's 1001, 1002. 3 steamboats means high heat, and that's perfect for that piece of meat. 5 minutes aside, and we're good to go. Give you a little tip. Get those cross hatches out they do at the steakhouse. Little quarter turn right here. That's been 5 minutes. Let's check it out. Guys, huh? Look at that. Did I tell you? Huh? Hey, flip it over. 5 minutes on that side. Grab the veggies. Put them in our veggie basket. Very simple. Those are ready. That's through. These veggies will be done. We've got our foundation, and then we'll be ready to go build our own steak sandwich. We've got Mr. Sirloin. He's been over here. He's just been relaxing because that's what happens when you put him under the foil. Those juices just flow all throughout that meat. Let's take a peek at it, guys. Oh, that is crazy sirloin right there. That is beautiful. Carrie, can I get a little help from you, please?
Absolutely.
This is Carrie, y'all. She is my teammate. She's gonna cut that up. What I'm gonna do right here is just, I got the foundation. I got the baguette. It's a big hunkin' baguette. All right, I'm gonna put a little, some of these veggies on here. These sweet Vidalia onions, these yellow and red peppers. Oh, Carrie, does that look good? Does that look, oh, that looks great, Carrie.
It's all right. It's perfectly cooked.
That is like a medium?
It's like medium rare. It's just rested, so all the juices are in there.
Just awesome looking. Building your own sandwiches, why not, huh?